A and B are interchangeable. So we have root 3 squared plus 2 squared equals c squared. Root 3 squared is 3. 2 squared is 4 equals c squared. So c squared equals 7. And then if I want to solve for c, I square root both sides. And c is the square root of 7. So now instead of putting a c there, I know that the hypotenuse is root 7, just by using the Pythagorean theorem. Now I can actually find the cosine because I now know what h is. So the cosine of A is adjacent, which is root 3, over hypotenuse, which is root 7. And the directions say to find that to 4 decimal places. So I want to take root 3 divided by root 7, and I end up with 0.6547, if I round correctly. Now let's say we change the problem a little bit. And I said, okay, now instead of finding the cosine of A, I now want you to find the cosine of B. Well, the cosine of B is still A over H. But now I'm working with angle B, which means if I go directly across, that's now my opposite. So root 3 is now my opposite side, and 2 is my adjacent. Remember, the hypotenuse never changes. It's always going to be the hypotenuse. So to find the cosine of B, the adjacent side is 2. The hypotenuse is root 7. And if I round that to 4 decimal places, I end up with 0.7559. Okay, let's go on to our last example.